All right, so I'm saying goodbye to my bike in Chiang Mai. Very nice bike, my friend. So remember, if you're coming to Chiang Mai, come visit my friend Billy.
Yeah, please.
He has very good bikes here. He's a very nice guy, so nice to support.
Contact me this number.
Yes. If you want to contact Billy, here's the number in Chiang Mai.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is our last night in Chiang Mai. So I'm gonna get one of these before we go. It smells delicious. Peanut butter.
Yeah, just here.
Temple.
Yeah, done, yeah. Very good.
Beautiful temple.
I'm gonna miss this so bad.
Yeah.
Shooter, what's up?
Yes, I don't want. Dustin's favorite is not my favorite.
I don't know how you can't like this. It's like the perfect combination: the banana, the chocolate, and the peanut butter, with like the little pancake on top. So we're gonna end Chiang Mai the same way we came in, taking a tuk-tuk back to the bus station. This time it's just during the day. Alright guys, so we made it to the bus station and we came here without a ticket going back. And the first like 3 counters, they said there's no more, there's all sold out, they're all full. So like, oh shoot, so we're like, oh, we'll just go stay another night maybe. But then like a woman said, hey, come here. She was inside the terminal still, and she goes, you going to Bangkok? We said, yeah. And so she got us a bus ticket, which was a lot cheaper too than coming here. It's like almost half. So we'll see. And it's funny because walking here, the other terminals across the street, so we had to walk over here and look for terminal 16. And we're looking for 16 and there's no 16. We're like, oh shoot, she sold us a fake ticket.
Only 15 available. So.
But then we did find it. So here's 16. We still have a couple hours until the bus comes, until it takes off. So we'll see. We'll see if this ticket is legit or not in a few hours. So this is our last night in Chiang Mai.
Yes.
Kind of sad because I really like Chiang Mai. It's
Lots
very
of food.
relaxed vibe, really good food, good weather.
Lots of bazaar.
Yeah,
Market.
the bazaar market is really cool. So everything was like 2 thumbs up for me. What are you gonna miss the most? The food.
The
for
food.
Me.
Yeah, the food. And here is like they mourning the night. You know, they like, it's like they never sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can go out any time of day, and people are out selling stuff, walking around.
Every time busy.
Yeah. All right. So for those that haven't been in Chiang Mai bus terminal before, I'll give you a little tour. There's all the buses out there and some food joints. They even have a barber for 150 baht. All the buses are named around. So this one's a lot smaller than the one in Bangkok. The Bangkok one is the biggest bus station I've ever been in. I'm gonna get some of these little yogurt drink things. They're really good. There's some different snacks around. Some of these I don't even know what they are. What do you guys think these are? And those. Lots of different kind of candies. Broad bean? I never heard of that. Apricot, cherries, dried sugar palm, plum, dried tomatoes, cool. More plums, Chinese jujube. And those sunflower seeds, those are giant. I actually had some of those earlier. They're really good. There's some more over here. I had the smaller package earlier and they're really tasty. They're huge. Lots of different things over here. This reminds me of like the banana thing that I had earlier. It tastes like a fortune cookie. But lots of different cool snacks. Curry puff. Crispy roti. It's like little dried fish sticks. Octopus, it looks like. Oh, that's probably really salty and spicy. Oh, some tamarind. Hello, 2 of these please. Ah, so for 2 of these it was 28 baht. It's around 90 cents. This looks like a pancake. So lots of good stuff out here. Wow. That looks good. Some books. Another convenience store, some more things to eat over there. Tap on the button that says 1,000. It's like a trick, but so you have to hit that 1,000 times? Really?
There's another way.
There's another way. Okay, okay. A hint. Oh, you can't get a tip unless tap on the button that says 1,000. Ah, so you can hold it. Ah! All right.
Good job.
How long did it take you to figure that one out?
Same with you.
Same, yeah. These are kind of fun. They're tricky.
Go back.
So you guys try to figure them out with me. So let's see this one.
Where is it?
Pair the socks?
No. 30.
Do you have a good one that you like?
This one.
I think she's picking out all the hard ones. Make the flower happy. Tickle, 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 tickle. I'll tell her the joke.
It's like
I'll play music for it. Give him some drums.
no, she's not happy.
Give him my glasses.
She's not.
How do you pour water on them? Clouds. Get away the clouds. Watch. Yeah. Man, there's a lot of clouds. There's the sun.
Today.
Yeah. All right, 2 for 2.
Fun game. Next is.
Hopefully you guys can see that. You guys probably can't even see that.
Maybe that
Shoot,
one.
sorry.
Oh, this one.
Okay. Press the red and blue buttons 10 times. 1. Uh-oh. 2. Oh. Well, ooh.
Wrong. This one is hard for me. Took
Press
a long
the
time
red
for me
and
to.
blue buttons 10 times. She must have to do it at the exact same time?
I forgot how I did that.
Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh!
But I don't
twice.
get. So
Tap
each.
twice.
Oh, so tap twice each time.
Oh.
Okay.
I think.
I think we just beat one. We didn't know how we did it.
This one is easy.
Connect matching items. Oh, that one's easy.
Yeah.
Wow. How'd they get that one in there?
I think the one here. This one is hard. This is the last thing that we need.
Yeah,
to
guys, we can't figure
level
this
up.
one out. So when you guys watch this, Let us know how to beat it. Complete the level. Time to completion.
How to complete the level?
Here, I'm gonna go
Huh?
past 1. I bet it goes back to 0. Watch. Oh yes!
Oh,
Woo!
very
Woo!
good.
Finally!
Finally, next.
Alright, so the bus did show up. Here it is. It's a double-decker. Alright, so here we are. We actually have more space on this one. And this was a cheaper bus. Very cool. And this is my first double-decker bus.
Yeah.
At least in Thailand. We have a full moon tonight. Alright, so we just got off the bus. Now we're gonna try to find a metered taxi, which should be right here. So here's the place that we're staying. We just got dropped off. Here's our dinner later. Very colorful fish.
Yeah. Huge.
They're huge, yeah. Stick your feet in there. So we're staying somewhere up there, I think. Nice lobby. Check out the table. Very cool woodwork.
Go here.
Okay. I like these old hotels. So here's our like lobby hallway. You can take the stairs, and this one does have an elevator. It kick you out. So Richie just got kicked out of the elevator. So this is cool. It's like a glass and mirror elevator.
So where are we going?
3rd floor, please.
Okay. Hold on tight. Oh look,
Yeah, look at that. That's cool.
it's a glass.
Wow. So not a skyscraper, but at least we can see the top of that building. Or the roof there.
Right here.
Alright, so 309. That's 306, 07. I think 2 more.
Here.
One of your favorite colors, Richie, pink.
Yeah.
Want to try to open it with this? Alright, welcome to our room.
Oh, pink. No room for Dustin. Oh my.
So here's our room. Nice. The biggest thing for me is always the water. So I think we get free water every day in a kettle, so that's cool. We can get some hard-boiled eggs.
Yeah.
TV. Here's our big bathroom. Cool.
And this is like,
We got a jacuzzi there.
we got a good deal with this, right?
Yeah, this was like $15. I gotta check the price again, but this is a pretty good deal. Nice tall trees. So even though it's like 8 in the morning, this is probably my bedtime. I'm gonna take a little nap and then rest. So this is probably the end of the video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you guys later.